Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral literally everywhere right changes everything. Hold on a second. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral literally everywhere right changes everything. Hold on a second.